guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arushi Jain, and if you're new to this channel, please take a moment to like, share and subscribe to my channel below. Moving on to the video. So in today's video, we'll be talking about the summer fashion trends of the year 2020 along with the fashion color of the year and the fashion colors that are going to be a major trend-setting goal in this summer. Before further ado, let's get into the video. So the first trend which I'd like to talk about is backless tops. Oh my god, they make you look so hot and sexy and at the same time are amazing when you look at their fit on your body. So basically, I have seen those trends everywhere, like Paris Fashion Week, London Fashion Week, and on streets and all my social media platform. At least I can see 10 images per hour of backless tops, backless dresses and any outfit which is backless. So yes, which hence prove that backless tops are one of the major trends of the summers 2021. The second trend which I would like to talk about is the accessory which is currently being used as headscarves or bandanas, which you can say. Mostly they are seen in floral prints or the pastel colors and people are wearing it and slaying it. People are making hairstyles out of those bandanas. People are wearing bandanas over dresses, over formals, over street style, and they are looking amazing. So the third trend is the oversized shirts. I myself am a person who is totally over this trend. Like, I completely am in support of this trend because these are the most comfortable things to wear in these summers, where you just need to wear a bralette or a tube or some crop top and you can just cover your body. If you don't feel that confident or if you feel like the winds are cold in the summery days, then you can just wear a oversized shirt and the outfit will look perfect. You can see these oversized shirts on streetwear. Like recently I had seen a picture of Bella Hadid wearing oversized shirts. Like, her 4 to 5 outfits were made out of these oversized shirts. So like, yeah, this is one of the most common trend of 2021 summers. So the fourth trend is the ribbed mini dresses, or also you can find ribbed tops and crop tops at H&M, Zara, Forever 21, and you can also witness them at the various fashion shows of the London as well as Paris and Milan. So I have seen this trend and I kind of like it. Like, I myself had bought 3 to 4 ribbed crop tops. However, I won't prefer buying the ribbed dresses. However, these ribbed dresses make you look slimmer and they're bodycon and body hugging, and mostly they are seen in pastel colors such as the mint green and pastel blue or the powder blue. So this is one common trend which is being witnessed. Moving on to my fifth trend, which is the tote bags that are made out of crochet. Like, crochet is one of the most beautiful handmade weave that is done by people, and we can witness these crochet tote bags at the Paris Fashion Week, especially in the Chanel and Dior collection. And I would definitely like to buy these ones because these are aesthetically pleasing and are perfect for a beach outfit and give perfect summer vibes. The sixth trend which I would like to talk about is the satin dresses. Like, really, the satin dresses in pastel colors have taken all over the internet, and if you ever open Pinterest and just type in summer trends 2021, you will definitely find this in red color, in mint green color, in pastel blue, in pastel pink, in orange, and any color which you want. Like, you can select any Pantone color and you can find a satin dress of that color. These, although they're naturally beautiful, but these dresses make you look so delicate and decent at the same time, and the shade that comes out of that satin material is something that I love to wear. Moving on to another trend that is coming onto the footwears is the platform sandals or the braided sandals, or you can see the peep-toed sandals, which are taking all over. Like, if you want the randomest example or the easiest example, is basically Zara and H&M, because these are the two brands where I saw these types of footwear, especially a black colored sandal which is plated, and it looks amazing and it's very comfortable. It won't give you the pain which heels do, and it can be worn either as a streetwear outfit or on beach outfits or on general brunches and any and everywhere. So basically, these were all the trends that are very common. Along with that, there are certain prints and colors that are famous for the year 2021. So moving on to the colors of 2021, The fashion color of 2021 is the ultimate grey and the illuminating yellow. So in my opinion, I would definitely go for the ultimate grey and not the illuminating yellow, because I'm not a person to choose yellow things. Like, neither of my clothes are of yellow color. However, when I am asked to choose a color out of the two, I'll choose ultimate grey because I love the neutral palettes. Like, I can wear anything in shades of grey, blue, black and beige and white, definitely. Other fashion colors of the season can be the pastel colors like pastel blue and pastel pink, the parrot green, the tennis ball green are being very famous, and the tangerine orange color, and even the color which I'm wearing here is one of the most famous colors of the season 2021, the summer season 2021. And color blocking is another thing which has been witnessed, like a trend which everybody, like nearly everybody, is experimenting with, wearing pinks with green, then purple with yellow, and orange with green, and orange with blue, and any other color which is opposite to one another on the color wheel basically. Now let's get on to another part of the video, which is the prints that are famous for the summer 2021 collections. Moving on to the prints of the year 2021 of the season summers are gingham, tie and dye, the floral prints, that too of the pressed flowers, the screen prints and the twisted geometry. So I'll be telling about each of the following in detail to you guys. So let's move on to the first print, which is the gingham prints. Gingham prints basically are seen the winted kinds, which are mostly in the color black and white. However, this year in summer, the gingham prints can be seen in pastel colors, and they are more abstract and they make things funky in a subtle manner. Zara has a few sets that are made out of gingham prints, and you can see the gingham prints on the fashion shows of Paris and London in the haute couture collection of Chanel, Dior, Ralph Lauren and many more. And pastel colored gingham prints can be seen on pants, shirts, dresses, shorts, coordinate sets and many more. Okay, so moving on to the second trend, it's tie and dye, and I personally love tie and dye. I have many outfits that are made out of those tie and dye fabrics, and it's one of the easiest way to add color and vibrancy to your wardrobe. You can see tie and dye quad sets, sweatshirts, shorts, dresses, even bucket hats and scrunchies, which are quite famous during this time. Not for wearing them on hair, but on the hands. I believe tie and dye is one print which will stay for a long time because the pastel color tie and dyes are really pretty and visually pleasing. So the third print which I like to talk about is the floral prints, especially the pressed flower print. So basically fashion is delighted when flowers are added to it. So we absolutely need lots of florals in our wardrobe this season, because we've been through a lot this year, I suppose, and this is one trend that brings happiness. Like, floral prints are so beautiful, so aesthetically pleasing and so subtle that it can even become a classic trend, and it has always been a classic trend. However, it changes every season, every year. And my suggestion when wearing a floral print would be that if you are of a lean body type, then you should wear the floral prints that are big in size. However, if you are on the heavier side, then you should definitely go for the smaller prints, or you can also go for the prints that are vertical in nature so that you look slightly slimmer and taller. Now moving on to the fourth print, that is twisted geometry. I am not a fan of twisted geometry. I feel like it's very bold and it captures attention very easily, and it can be a little bit weird when looked at for a long period of time, especially the ones that involve a lot many lines and a whimsical pattern. Mostly these twisted geometry prints are seen on the runways this year, and people are slightly accepting it, but it might not be a classic trend and it might just last 1 or 2 seasons at the most. However, the colourful twisted geometry patterns have taken over the runway, especially the Paris Fashion Week of the collection summer 2021. And the last trend which I'd like to talk about is the screen printing trend. And I'm not at all fond of that particular trend, and I really don't know why it is considered to be a trend for the year 2021 summers, and it has been witnessed that screen printing trend has been used as a major trend on the Paris Fashion Week of the year 2021 for the collection of summers by the fashion designers such as Chanel, Dior, Ralph Lauren, Burberry and many more. So basically I find this trend quite bold and shabby, but if you like to wear big prints, then this is definitely a must for you. And it's just a suggestion that if you are a person on the heavier side, then you should definitely be going again with the smaller screen prints and not the bold and big screen prints, because they just make you look more heavy. And for the ones on the petite side or on the slimmer side, should go for the prints like that are wide, that are big, so that it makes them look, you know, more enhanced. And I also like to add a few trends which I personally love, such as the puff sleeve trends, which is what I'm wearing today. Another trend which I'm liking these days is the trend of the denim long shorts, which has been a trend for the summers, for the springs, and I suppose it will continue until monsoon. And those shorts are really comfortable, airy. My camera battery just died, so sorry for the background quality. However, the last trend which I would like to add to my personal favorites would be the trend of midriff flossing. Basically, it's the play of different types of knots along your waist or your neck or your back, and it's a very beautiful and sexy trend which I'd love to try. However, if you have an hourglass figure, then amazing. And even the ones with plus body size can wear it. It's just all about being confident in what you wear. Until then, see you next time in my next video with so much more fun. Hope you liked it. Till then, please take out some moment to like and comment and subscribe to my channel below. And also please share this video as much as possible, and hope you learned a lot about the summer trends of the year 2021. And I'll keep posting content, some fun content, as I had promised in my introductory video. Until then, take care, stay safe.